Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive Facebook notifications by SMS for memories on your PC. Facebook has recently updated this feature, making it easier than ever to stay connected with your cherished moments. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to set this up. First, open your favorite web browser and head to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a bell icon. That's your notifications icon. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with your recent notifications, but we're not interested in those right now. Instead, look for three little dots, usually located at the bottom of this drop-down. Click on those three dots to reveal more options. From the new menu that appears, you'll want to select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize all your Facebook notifications. Now scroll down the list of notification types until you find Memories. Click on that option to expand it. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option to enable SMS notifications for your memories. Simply toggle this option on, and you're all set. By following these steps, you'll now receive text messages whenever Facebook has a memory to share with you. It's a great way to ensure you never miss those special moments from your past, even when you're not actively browsing Facebook. Remember, you can always come back to this settings page and adjust your preferences if you find you're getting too many notifications or not enough. Facebook gives you the flexibility to customize your experience. That's all there is to it. You're now set up to receive SMS notifications for your Facebook memories. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.